Cash advance app limits can change because companies regularly review account activity, repayment history, eligibility factors, and other information connected to your account. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a cash advance app can reduce your limit and what steps you can take to understand what changed. The most common reason a cash advance limit changes is a change in your account information. Cash advance apps may review factors like income activity, deposits, account balance patterns, and repayment behavior when deciding how much money you can access. A lower limit does not always mean your account has a problem. Some apps adjust available amounts automatically when their systems detect changes in your financial activity or eligibility. Another reason can be repayment history. If an advance was not repaid on time, or there were issues collecting repayment, the app may reduce access until your account activity improves. Your income pattern can also affect your limit. If your deposits become smaller, less frequent, or different from your previous activity, the app may adjust the amount it offers. Bank account changes can also matter. Connecting a new account, changing direct deposit information, or having fewer transactions can affect how an app evaluates your eligibility. The first step is checking the app's explanation. Look for notifications, account messages, or help sections that explain why your available amount changed. The second step is reviewing your account activity. Check whether your income deposits, repayment history, or connected bank information changed recently. The third step is contacting customer support if the reason is unclear. The company may be able to explain whether the change was temporary or related to a specific account factor. Avoid assuming that a reduced limit is permanent. Cash advance apps can update limits again when your financial information changes. To prevent unexpected changes, keep your account information updated, monitor repayment dates, and review the app's requirements regularly. A cash advance limit is not a guaranteed amount. It can change based on the information the app uses to evaluate your account. If your limit dropped, check the reason first, review your account details, and understand what factors affect your available amount. If this guide helped you understand cash advance limits, subscribe for more simple explanations of financial apps and money tools.